Hi, my name is James and I'm from BlindsbyPost. And today I'm going to show you how to measure for a cassette motorised roller blind within a recess. Hi, my name is James and I'm from BlindsbyPost. And today I'm going to show you how to measure for a motorised roller blind within a recess. To measure up, you're only going to need 4 things: a pen or pencil, a piece of paper, a steel tape measure for accuracy, and your smartphone, tablet or computer to upload your measurements straight to our website. For a recess fitting blind, please measure your window recess exactly. We always recommend measuring the width and the height of the window recess in multiple places, quoting the smallest measurements when ordering. You'll only need to provide us with the top measurement, and we'll deduct 10mm from the width measurement when you select recess. Please provide the height of your recess as normal. Please also bear in mind that your fabric will be 25mm shorter either side than the measurements you provide us on our website.